Hi guys, welcome to another Ellie unboxing video. I know I haven't done one of these in probably the past 2 or 3 collections. So since I really love this month's collection, I thought why not do an unboxing video. If you've already seen us on the blog, that's great. But let me just go through really quick and show you the Ellie items for the July collection. So we have the Seeing Stars collection, and it consists of a navy blue sports bra with a very super strappy back going on. Of course, it has the removable cuffs in the sports bra. It is really comfortable, really great to work out in, and it is by Bally. Next, we have the Stars navy matching pants. So these have stars that run down the back of the calf, and then it has this meshy material that runs down the front. And they come down about to the ankle. They are by Marika. And what I really love about these is the waistband. It just, I don't know, it doesn't move, but it also has sort of like that tummy control going on. Very comfortable, very great for high intensity. And last but not least is my favorite piece in this collection, and that is the mesh hoodie. So it is a short sleeved hoodie, got the hood, and the back is completely mesh, and the front half is also mesh. I love this piece. Remember, you can get the 3-piece Ellie collection for only $39.95, which is so much cheaper than what you would pay in a retail store. Now they have 3 collections for you to pick from each month, which is kind of cool. It offers you a little bit of variety. And remember to use code FAITH15 for 15% off of your first month's box. Thank you guys. Bye.